Hello friends, today's topic Hindenburg new allegations. Will markets correct tomorrow? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Hindenburg Research had published a report in January 2023 against the Adani Group and alleged that there was a manipulation of their share price and foreign accounts were used for the above. Late on Saturday night, Hindenburg Research launched a fresh report alleging that SEBI chairman Madhavi Bush and her husband Dhawal Bush had stakes in foreign funds used in the Adani money siphoning scandal. Hindenburg Research has said that the whistleblower, person who informs about the unlawful, immoral activity of another person or organization, has provided. The Hindenburg Research report has made three main allegations against SEBI chairman and her husband. Number one, offshore fund connections. Hindenburg Research has alleged SEBI chairman Madhavi Puri Buch and husband Dhawal Buch held stakes in the same Bermuda and Mauritius funds used by Vinod Adani, elder brother of Gautam Adani. At that time, Buch held the position of a whole-time member of SEBI. She had emailed through her private account to redeem the units in the fund. 2. Lack of complete financial transparency. During her tenure as SEBI member from April 2017 to March 2022, Madhavi Puri Buch fully owned an offshore Singaporean consulting firm, Agora Partners. Shortly after appointment, she transferred the ownership to her husband. This entity is exempt from disclosing financial statements, so there is no clarity on the amount of revenue it derives from its consulting business and to from whom. The Hindenburg report revealed that Madam Bush currently holds a 99% stake in a consulting business called Agora Advisory, where her husband is a director. At the end of the financial year 2022, the firm generated Rs 1.98 crore in revenue from consulting. This was 4.4 times Madhavi Bush previously disclosed salary as a whole-time member of SEBI. 3. Conflict of interest with Blackstone. During Bush's tenure at SEBI, her husband was appointed the senior advisor to Blackstone, a major investor in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Hindenburg alleges that under the Bush leadership, SEBI approved significant regulatory changes favoring REITs. The timing and nature of these changes, combined with Blackstone's interest, have led to suspicions of conflicts of interest. As per Hindenburg Research, during industry conferences, SEBI chairman called REITs as her favorite products for the future and urged investors to look positively upon the asset class. Hindenburg alleges while making those statements, she omitted to mention that Blackstone, who her husband advises, stands to gain significantly from the asset class. SEBI chairman and her husband have released a joint statement stating that all the allegations are baseless and false and they strongly deny them. The same are devoid of any truth. They stated that their life and finances are an open book and that they have made all disclosures have already been furnished to SEBI over the years. SEBI chairperson said that they have no hesitation in disclosing any more financial documents. She said that in the interest of complete transparency, they would be issuing a detailed statement in due course. SEBI had issued a show cause notice to Hindenburg Research against whom SEBI has taken an enforcement action. As per SEBI chairperson Madhavi Bush, Hindenburg is trying to do character assassination as a reaction to the SEBI's action. As of now, Hindenburg has given vague allegations which don't clearly implicate the SEBI chairman. However, it puts doubts in the minds of people on whether the regulator is itself part of some corrupt practices. We need to see how the markets react to this news tomorrow. The news is developing with more updates likely in the coming days. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think this news will have a negative impact on markets tomorrow? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, This is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.